illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a hot dog character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our hot dog character. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually make the nose of our dog, which is almost like a skewed letter U or a two curved letter V right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually put the ears on. So we're going to put on an ear this side and an ear on this side and then connect them. So we want this to look like those really great floppy ears that you often see on these kinds of dogs. So one there. And we'll do the same thing on the other side for the other ear. And then we'll connect them at the top. So we'll work on the face next. So we're going to do two eyes. 1, 2. 2 eyebrows. And the nose. Gonna add a couple little curves up there for some hair on top of our dog's head. All right, now these dogs have very long bodies, that's why we call them hot dogs. So we're going to take a line that goes all the way out and then we're going to curve it down into the dog's back leg. Okay, so we're just gonna start here. Just think of this as like the midpoint of the ear and we'll come out and down. And we're going to round this out into the back foot. And from there, we're going to finish the leg, and then we'll take another really long line, and then we'll draw the front leg here. So we'll start by finishing off that leg, and then taking that line all the way about back to that ear spot, and we'll make another leg. And this time when we bring it up, we will curve back to the beginning here. All right, we'll do some toe details here. And now we'll add on the other 2 legs that we'll see. A little toe detail there too. And the back leg. And also toe detail. All right, now we're going to add a really fun tail, similar to what we did with the ears here to make it look a little bit fluffy. And then we'll add a couple of dots and lines underneath to show that our dog is standing on the ground. If you want it to be outside, you can add a couple blades of grass. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our hot dog characters. The next step that we are going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. have our hot dog characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today on your hot dog illustrations. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.